gonna show you how easy it is to change your air filter here on your Mercedes. It's a C250, 2015. And I noticed that whenever and my daughter did get her oil changed, but they don't ask if she want to change the filter because they got to use a few screws and things to get to the filter. So they don't want to bother asking them. But look at that filter. That is filthy. This is a new one that I got. Let me pull it out. Look at the difference. Never been changed. And she also had that P2096 oxygen sensor. And I seen it on YouTube that if you change the filter and do something like that, it may even clear that cold, that check engine cold. So we're gonna go ahead and change the filter. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Okay, here's how easy it is to change the air filter here. So first, just take your regular screwdriver and loosen this up. Once you loosen it up, just pull that off. And then what you want to do is get you a T250, and take these three screws out. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to get to them easily, just pull this cover off. Just pull it straight up and that'll pop right off. And that's how easy it is. And then you can get to these screws, and once you pull that off and everything, just slide this down, pull the filter out, and replace it with the new filter. It's that simple. And then put everything back on in reverse.